Hey guys, Pasha here. I know it's been a while since you last saw me. I've grown my beard out a little bit since then, but we're getting ready to go get the engine and the transmission for the Miata kart. So hopefully that works out well.
Hell yeah! You ready, Pasha?
Let's do it.
Hey Caleb.
Oh.
Caleb.
Yeah.
Give me a shout out. Can you give
this only gets you 300 subscribers, so.
That's fine. I'm okay with 300 subscribers.
Okay. All right. Subscribe to Just Pasha. Okay.
That's all I get?
That's all you get. That's what 300 bucks gets you.
$300?
Yep. Sorry, man. I know what I'm worth.
You should be doing it on your channel, dude.
Oh, that's twice the amount. So you have to pay $2 per subscriber on my channel.
How much you decided it was?
What?
Twice as much?
Yeah. So you need another 300.
2, 3. There you go.
Thank you.
Yep.
I don't see very $50 bills very often.
Yeah, there you go.
It's kind of fat. President Grant's kind of fat.
You gonna give me shout outs now? It's for 300 subscribers, right?
Yeah. On my channel.
Can I make 350?
Yeah, so you need another 100 then.
That's fine.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you. Let's make sure to count it. 5, 6, 7. Is that oh yeah, it's 700. All right, yeah, that's 350 subscribers on my channel. There we go.
I'm trying to get to 10,000 like by my birthday. It's 1 month.
Is that? Do you need 350?
I need like 400, but can you make a deal? I'm feeling off the bus right now. All right.
Why are we still pretending?
I don't know.
This is too real. It was funny for a little bit, and then it just kind of got old. Thank you.
Where's the shout out I paid for, huh?
Oh yeah. By the way, guys, Pasha gave me 300 bucks to tell you to go subscribe to his channel. So go subscribe to his channel.
That's weak. You need to.
Hey man, if you want a better shout out, you gotta give me more.
We're going on a trip.
Zooming through the sky.
We're going to pick up an engine and a transmission for Miata kart. It's 1.8 liter engine with 1.6 coil pack, which should work as a conversion with the harness that we have. So I'm hoping everything will work out. And if it doesn't, it's going to be a rip.
I mean, we'll make it work.
We'll make it work.
We're driving a 22-foot long trailer to pick up an engine that's yay long.
You have never had coffee.
Never had coffee.
Let him try yours because it will
crazy.
probably more likely be okay.
We stopped because I really needed to pee and we wanted to get gas, well, diesel, but we don't have diesel here. It's an RIP.
So dumb.
Yeah. BP, you failed us. BP gas stations. No shout outs to BP gas stations. Can't do that. Made it! Yay! Wisconsin random guy's house to pick up an engine.
Sorry.
And I really need to pee. I'm literally dying. I need to pee so bad. I need to pee. All right, let's go pee.
He literally peed like an hour ago, and he already has to pee again.
Okay, shut up. I need to pee. All right, stop. Let's go pee. Can we go pee, please? Can we go pee, please? Please. There it is. 1.8.
You want to push? You want to pull it? Probably be easier. Like 3 inches. And then lower it down a little bit.
There we go. Is it gonna stay like that?
Yeah, pretty good.
Alright.
Good. Yeah, I think we're good.
As long as you can strap it down.
Can we move it forward a little bit, actually? That would be a listening process. Alright, I think. There.
There's no shift here.
Well,
How does that work?
buy a new shifter.
The one that just kind of sticks in there or some shit?
Yeah, you could buy a short shifter kit if you wanted to.
Thank you, Caleb,
You're welcome,
for
Pasha.
doing this. I'll do it, yeah. So originally I thought I'm getting the whole car with the engine, transmission, drive shaft, and the diff, but we ended up just buying the engine and the transmission. So yeah, there's no car. I'm gonna need to outsource the drive shaft, the diff. We do have the diff, so I can probably use the VLSD. And I'm definitely gonna have to buy some parts for this engine because it's not just gonna drop in and work, but we can make it work, so it's all good. Yeah, let's hope it doesn't just fall back. We need to like get it full, probably maybe around this.
What else do you think?
To that,
Where?
to that, and to this. She's all loaded up, strapped down. We all are ready to go back home. 2.5 hours just for this. On the way there and on the way back, so 5
There's
hours.
a brewery that we passed like 20 minutes down. Do you want to stop there for dinner?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah?
Brewery, yeah, I'm down. He's a burger. Hi, burger.
Amber beer cheese, smoked sausage, bacon, braised onions, and a pretzel bun. Sounds pretty good.
That does sound pretty good. What do you think about that, Pasha?
I think it sounds pretty good.
You think
Do you think
Ooh.
it sounds pretty good?
Or the Southwest burger, pepper jack,
Ew.
lettuce, onion, guac, jalapenos,
And-
chipotle aioli,
What the hell is
and
that?
Sortino's sesame seed roll.
I always like sauce.
Yeah, it's like a
chipotle sauce.
ranch almost.
It's pretty good sauce.
Yeah, chipotle sauce, yeah. How's your beer, sir? How's it? Is it good?
It's pretty good.
May I see your ID, please?
You know, I left it at home.
You forgot it. Okay,
Forgot
gotcha.
it.
Alright, that's fine. How's your first beer?
I already tried all three of them.
Oh,
I'm
4?
gonna try the last one
Oh,
now.
3. All right. Raw reaction to. What is it? Which one is it?
This is the fog.
The fog. Okay.
Yeah, I like these two a lot. These two are pretty
This
good.
one is pretty good. Yeah. I see.
Yeah,
Where's the
that
list
was nice
of
and raspberry.
See the list?
Oh yeah.
And I'm waiting for my Moscow Mule because Moscow is in my blood.
That was cringy.
Not really. Yeah. Authentic cheese curds.
That was a good one. That was very good.
It's like 3D coming to the camera.
Oh my goodness, look at this. It's all one.
Holy shit.
I'm gonna break it
It's
up.
really good.
It's really good.
Alright guys, for the successful purchase of the new engine for the Miata kart. Cheers. Is it good? Heck yeah. Alright. If you guys are eating while watching this video, have a good meal and we will try to do the same. But we're back. The engine is good. It got rained on a little bit, but it's all good. Just got to unload it. And we're gonna get back home because it's getting late, so yeah. Thanks, man. I feel bad. I actually help sometimes, guys. I'm not just filming all the time. But I gotta film so I have content. How?
Yeah, the engine's a little close to me. Yeah. Yep.
Does it go up at all?
Yep. Really good.
I mean, it'll clear enough. That's all you need.
What?
Move the tire out of the way.
Well,
Oh, it's just pissing trans fluid all over my trailers.
you do not want this in your shop. Unless we have something to drain it into.
We do.
Do we have enough space in the thing that we're gonna drain it in? Like
Yeah,
this.
like this. Exactly.
Oh, you are over the...
So if you're an naturally aspirated, you'd make an extra 20 horsepower. But guess what? You're going to boost it and it will make absolutely no difference.
I got a pretty good price on it.
Good. I agree.
All right, so here we are. Once again, we made it back safely. The engine is here. Once again, I'm gonna say it is 1.8 engine with 1.6 coil pack on it. I'm gonna have to replace certain parts on this engine to be able to run this engine with 1.6 harness, because we have 1.6 harness. I am buying an aftermarket ECU. I'm actually buying Caleb's Turbo Miata ECU. And I am eventually gonna buy an eBay turbo kit for this car. Probably not right away because I am broke! Yeah, it was a pretty long trip. It was like almost, 6 hours we spent? Then the entire day just to buy an engine, which I guess in the end of the day is worth it. Thank you so much, Caleb, for driving. I probably missed it. Alright, but for real, thanks for driving. And I'm looking forward to install the engine in the car and do all these cool things. I appreciate you guys watching. CJ, thanks for helping me film.
You're welcome.
And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out and stay positive. Bye!
You gonna move your hand?
Oh yeah.
Oh.